Tara po, samahan nyo kami sa aming 17 days family adventure from North Carolina to California, Las Vegas, and Utah. So yun nga po, nag-start ang aming adventure. Nag-road trip muna po kami going to Charlotte Douglas International Airport from our place in North Carolina. And then from there, we will take our flight from Charlotte International Airport to Los Angeles Airport.
Ang laki na. Ito sana
Hybrid electric.
papasok na.
Bus na Charlotte, North Carolina. So, dahil po sobrang aga ng aming flight tomorrow to LAX, kami ay nag-check-in muna dito sa La Quinta Inn and Suites by Wyndham, Charlotte Airport South. So, this is just a few miles to Charlotte Douglas International Airport. So, let's take you around the hotel para makita niyo naman po ang amenities, sceneries, and everything. Enjoy! Elevator. Dito yung papunta. Okay. So, table, TV, si Kuya. Ayan. Ito yung view sa labas. Wow. Ayan, swimming pool yuri. Gamit namin. Si Ed kinukuha pa yung mga gamit namin sa sasakyan. Ayan.
May access tayo, di ba, man?
Access?
Sa gym.
Oo naman. Sa lahat naman ng guest. Ayan. Yung tawag sa mga yan, Kuya? Ha? Anong tawag sa mga yan?
Gym.
Yan si Papa. Yan si Papa. Anong nakalagay dyan is head, stay a while. Go ahead, stay a while. Kuya, pang reels. Wow. Galing naman ni Kuya. Sana andito rin si Kuya Edson.
Ayun yung pool po pala.
Saan yung pool? Yun. Yung swimming pool po. Ayan. Ayun, tingnan. Ayan, yung pool. Swimming pool. Ayan. Pwedeng maupo dyan mamaya. Sabi warning, no lifeguard on duty. Adults should not swim alone. Oh, bakit? Adults should not swim
Exercise.
alone daw. No diving. No diving.
Pwede rin.
Ayan yung dalawa, oh. Oh, picture naman. Oh, tingin kayo sa akin. 1, 2. Ay. Sana si Kuya nandito rin, ano? Oh, sabi, service needed. Apply.
Dito sila kukuha.
Di halata pa. May rayuma ka. Di halata. Ah, ito. Ay, close. Close siya. Close, close.
Para mama.
Tignan mo yung mga puno, oh. Oh. Ganda naman yun. Ay, doon. Upo lang tayo sandali naman dito. Hindi, ito, oh. Ah, ayun, oh. Yun ka.
Highway na yan, mama.
Ah, highway na po. Oo nga, no. Ay, picture kayo dyan dalawang mag-ama, oh. 1, 2. Isa pa. Nag-enjoy akong nagbibideo, oh. Dami ng puno. Ayan, oh. Tingnan mo yung mga oy, oy. Ito yung patio. Ano? Patio ko.
Papa nagugutom. Yung
Ayun yung spirit. Spirit, ayun, oh. Ayun, spirit agent assist.
Punta tayo.
Ayun yung spirit. Spirit, ayun, oh. Ayun, spirit agent assist.
Punta tayo.
Hi, good morning.
Victoria.
20.
4.
Magkakatabi tayo. Kasi to random seats yung sa atin eh. Pero at least, request ko na magkakatabi tayo. Oo.
Kasi siya mag-isa natin.
Anong number tayo? C? Kausapin mo ng maayos.
On this plane, we are also expecting a high carry-on volume, which means if you have any of those personal items, backpacks, purses, man bags, they all need to go underneath the seat in front of you. That does include your jacket, the rollerboard. Only the rollerboard suitcases and large duffel bags should be going in the overhead bin. So once again, please reserve the overhead bin space for those larger items. Thank you.
And ladies and gentlemen, up front, we'd like to welcome you aboard Spirit Airlines Flight 2863, non-stop service to Los Angeles. First off, got to apologize for our delay this morning. This airplane came in just a bit behind schedule, and that is the reason for our delay.